Welcome back to Rock Solid Motorsports. Today we have the privilege of doing a test drive and a walk around inspection, show you lights working on this beautifully preserved, highly original, low mile 1987 Ford Thunderbird Turbo Coupe. As you can see, it's that stunning burgundy exterior with the gray interior, highly original, and just showing just under 7,800 original miles. Yeah, not 78,000, but 7,800 original miles. Highly original car. You'll see in the walk around inspection very few flaws in this car. It is definitely a collector grade Thunderbird Turbo Coupe, and as these 80s cars become more and more popular, these are the cars that you want, these low mile collector grade quality cars. So now we'll grab the other camera, go for a test drive. So now we're going to take a test drive in that beautiful 1987 Ford Thunderbird Turbo Coupe.
Yep. This is just an absolutely excellent car. I mean, right away this interior, just mind-blowing how nice this interior is.
Yeah, I mean, if you really wanted to know what a brand new Thunderbird was like in 1987.
Yeah, this is it.
Yeah, the odometer showing 7,766 miles. So, yeah, it's extremely low mile. So the car, you know, fires right up. It runs and drives like a brand new car.
This is one of the best years for the Turbo Coupe. I mean, it had that awesome 2.3 liter turbocharged, and it was intercooled in this year, and backed by the world-class T5 transmission, which, I mean, this is just the best way to have these cars.
Pushing the car at all, and I mean up to 60 miles per hour through the gears. Super smooth. Yeah. Everything feels tight as new.
Yeah, super smooth. I mean, like that clutch, I mean everything. I mean, it just feels like you're driving a brand new Thunderbird.
Yeah, and the car tracks, you know, perfectly straight.
Even on those old Pirellis.
This car is amazing.
Yeah.
I drove an 84 when they first came out. My dad actually bought one. I put a lot of miles on his. Beautiful car, fun car, and this is even better with the intercooled, added horsepower.
Yeah, this was probably about the highest horsepower year for the Turbo Coupe, about 190 horsepower, which for these, I mean, in a Fox body is plenty to have fun in.
Oh yeah. And it on the road, it's a nice cruising car too. I mean, 65 miles per hour. This cabin is tight, it's quiet.
Oh yeah, like no rattles. I mean, these Fox bodies are known for having like little rattles driving, and this car's just excellent.
Yeah.
It's nice and quiet in here. I mean, it's whisper quiet. Like virtually no wind noise.
All my gauges are working just like they should. Tachometer, oil temp, charging, fuel gauge, cruise control works just like it should.
And you do have the upgraded stereo, the premium sound with the equalizer. That works. You have the power antenna.
Yeah, the power antenna works.
You do have the adjustable suspension too with the firm ride. And you have the toggle between regular and premium fuel, because we'll just leave that premium all the time anyways. Definitely want to get the most out of this car.
Automatic temperature control.
Yep.
Climate control, which does work. So we'll give it a little RPMs here. 60 miles per hour. Very smooth.
problem pulling this car down the road. Sits you back in the seat, you get that awesome turbo whoosh as it's pulling you through the gears.
We do have a little bit of a tire shimmy at 60 miles per hour, which, I mean, the age of these tires,
Yeah.
but being an all original car, you know,
Yeah.
they don't have to be. I would highly recommend replace them if you're going to drive the car. Anyway, this car is a museum quality car. So.
Oh yeah. I mean, you could take this to your big events like Radwood, or like, I mean, Concourse is even having shows in this era of car too. I mean, this car is, I mean, near mint. I mean,
it's fantastic. It's going to be hard pressed to find one better condition, lower miles.
yeah, absolutely.
Air conditioning is cold. The temperature control system does work. Both power seats, both power mirrors work, both power windows. And the car was rust proofed when new. Z-barred it, so you know, there's absolutely no rust. I mean, the bottom side of the car looks like an 8,000 mile car. It's extremely clean.
The body on this car is extremely straight. I mean, count on, like, I think there's maybe 2 defects in this car. They're just extremely minor. You gotta, like, search this car with a fine-tooth comb to find anything on this car. I mean, it presents excellent. I would have no qualms about taking this to any show or cruising anywhere.
Yeah.
And worry about this standing tall.
Your leather shifter knob and boots in excellent condition, and the turbo on the boot or the shifter knob, just awesome car. Gorgeous color combination with that burgundy over the charcoal. Just gorgeous car. Definitely want to take a close look at this excellent example of the 80s Ford turbo cars. This 1987 Turbo Coupe.
Absolutely.
Yeah, stay tuned to that walk-around inspection. Basically, going to just be more bragging about the condition of this car than flaws, because it doesn't have very many. But definitely stay tuned. Check it out.
For sure.
Now that we're done with the test drive portion of the video, we'll do our walk-around inspection. Really shouldn't take that long. This car has very few flaws. It's in excellent condition throughout. But we'll go ahead and we'll get started. We'll start with the driver's side of the windshield, and the windshield is in excellent condition. No chips or scratch or cracks to speak of. And I apologize if I use the word excellent too many times going through this, but the car is excellent throughout. The factory burgundy paint is in excellent condition, shines beautifully, including the black rubber trim all the way around the car. We'll see that it's in excellent condition. And just what you would expect with a car with less than 8,000 miles on it. The factory turbo wheels are in excellent condition. This one here showing no age. Wrapped in these Pirellis, which very possibly could be the original tires. So across the fender, there's no damage to speak of, no flaws. On the driver's side of the hood, no flaws to speak of. We got a couple bugs. Down very low, there's one very minor nick right here. It's hard to see unless you get down on it. But coming around the front face of the car, it's in excellent condition. All your turn signals and headlights are clear, like new, and the car throughout is in like new condition. Passenger side of the hood, top of the fender, no flaws to speak of, just that beautiful burgundy paint. Coming down on the passenger side fender, no dents, no chips to speak of. Your passenger side front wheel again in excellent condition. Passenger side of the windshield free of chips, free of wear. Back of your, you got some dirt on the drive, but your mirrors are in excellent condition. Passenger side front door. No dings. No real flaw or damage or wear to speak of. Got to pull out the factory. Still have the factory turbo keys. Come into the interior. You're going to find an excellent interior. As new.
Passenger side door panel is in excellent condition, showing no age. And your door jambs, your sill plates are all in excellent condition. No heavy scratches or gouges in the painted portions. Your carpet is in excellent condition. The factory floor mats are in the trunk. Your dash is in excellent condition, no warpage or cracks. I mean, all your lettering is nice and bright like it should be, and nice and crisp. Passenger side seat is in excellent condition, showing no age. It does have the power lumbar. Coming into the back, you see the rear seats are in. There you go. Rear seats are in excellent condition. Until they've been very sparingly used, if at all. Coming down the rear carpet's in excellent condition. Just an absolutely mint interior.
Coming back out to the exterior of the car, all your glass is in excellent condition. Passenger side of the roof, again, is in excellent condition. No damage to speak of, no wear. All your emblems, very nice. Your passenger side rear quarter, paint shines beautifully. No damage, no wear to speak of. Passenger side rear wheel is in very good condition again. Your rear windscreen, excellent condition. Rear defrost, factory original car light glass. Come around to the rear of the car. Your rear taillight lenses are very clear, very clean, no cracks. Rear bumper fascia is in excellent condition. All your emblems, excellent condition. And coming into the trunk, your trunk lid is free of age and wear on the trunk lid. We come into the trunk and we'll see a little poster board that one of the previous owners made up with a copy of the original window sticker. And we've got the original floor mats that are in excellent condition. Got a lot of the original books, the owner's manuals, and a shop manual come with the car. And the trunk has been protected by that rubber mat, but the trunk is as new as if it's never been used. All your gaskets are as new, very pliable, very soft. They're not hard. Come around to the driver's side. Again, very clean. No damage to speak of. I'm looking for stone chips. Not running across anything. Her driver's side of the roof is in excellent condition. Of course, your passenger side glass, driver's side is in excellent condition. Coming to the driver's side door, like there's one very light minor ding right there.
Just very minor.
Yeah, that could be taken out with a paintless dent repair. And there's one very small chip right there. Am I missing anything?
I don't believe so.
Other than that, so we found 2-3 flaws on the car so far, very, very minor. Coming into the driver's side of the interior, you're going to find out that the interior on this side is just as excellent as the passenger side.
You see again the scripting and lettering on all your switches and levers are in excellent condition, nice and bright and clear. Steering wheel is showing no age. Your pedals are in excellent condition. Driver's seat is in excellent condition, no heavy wear on the bolsters. Carpets with the cloths all in excellent condition, hasn't been broken down. Plenty of padding in the seat. And this car is very well equipped, as we talked about earlier. So there are plenty of switches. And a great equalizer. And of course your stick with the factory turbo wrapping and leather is all in excellent condition. Your rear carpet's in excellent condition, and your rear seat.
Coming under the hood, you'll see a very original, unmolested engine compartment with that great 2.3 liter 4-cylinder turbocharged Ford engine backed by the manual transmission. And you see the programmed ride control on top of the shock towers. I'll fire it up and we'll show you some lights working. Which I guess to note, Tyler, even the hood lights working.
Brights, driver side turn signal, passenger side, and the fog lamps. So running lights, brake lights, driver side turn signal, passenger side turn signal, and reverse lights. All work as they should, including the third brake light.
So if you're in the market for a collector grade quality car and an up and coming collectible or just a great 80s turbocharged vehicle, this car covers a lot of varieties of cars, but you definitely want to check this car out. This 1987 Ford Thunderbird Turbo Coupe, rock solid motorsports.